this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Excuse me. We're driving our 63 C10. You can see the fuel gauge and the speedometer, temp gauge coming up. This is a really nice old pickup, and I think it's really cool because we restored it 14 years ago, sold it about 13 years ago to a gentleman in the area. He called me the other day and he says, I'm getting too old to drive it, so we bought this and a couple internationals from him. So glad to own it again. Really cool. The paint on it still looks great. Few little flaws, but for a 14-year-old paint job, looks pretty good. So if you're looking for a neat old original truck, 6-cylinder, 3 on the tree, I think everything works on it, except for maybe the dome light didn't light up, so it might need a bulb. But horn worked and lights and wipers, got a manual choke, heater controls over there, and got a GMC custom stereo, which went in the hole so they didn't cut it up. So really nice there. You can see the last oil change was in 24, so I'm thinking, and that probably had about 20,043, so maybe that 18. I know we didn't put many miles on the last few years, so neat old truck, runs and drives great. You got any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.